P10 may just be my favorite phone that Huawei has ever made. It's the design that really struck a chord for me. An all-metal body that mixes highly polished edges with an attractive macro-etched finish on the back. My review model came in a cool blue hue, which sets it apart from the black and grey phones that usually land on my desk. But the best part for me is the size. With a screen measuring 5.1 inches, the P10 is much smaller than most flagship phones. That makes it fit comfortably in my hand. It doesn't bulge out my jeans when it's in my pocket, and you won't need experimental surgery to extend your thumb to text one-handed. Camera. I love the camera too. It has the same dual lens setup that's on last year's P9, albeit with increased resolutions. One lens takes shots in color and the other only shoots in black and white, with both delivering great performances. Color shots are rich, vibrant and well exposed. I'm impressed with how quickly the phone focuses and at how well it balances very bright and very dark areas in a scene. It's the black and white mode that I like the most, though. While you can simply apply black and white effects to any photo after you shoot it, the P10's dedicated monochrome sensor delivers beautiful results with gorgeous contrast without any extra tweaking. It's great fun to head into town with the monochrome mode enabled and see how the world looks in black and white. And the 8-megapixel front-facing camera is more than sufficient to capture your most embarrassing grinning selfies. The P10 is joined by the P10 Plus. Beyond its larger 5.5-inch, 2560 x 1440 pixel display, the P10 Plus has a beefier 3750 mAh battery and 128 GB of storage. Its lenses also have a wider f/1.8 aperture that should let in more light in dimly lit scenes. We haven't fully tested the £680 P10 Plus yet, so we'll have to wait and see if these slight upgrades are worth the additional £110.